Hello, it's Daniel and welcome to this trip report. In this trip report, I'm flying with Irish low-cost airline Ryanair between Dublin in Ireland and Glasgow in Scotland. I took this flight in summer 2019. It was the final flight of the trip. On the same trip, I cleared an ASL Airlines 737-300, a Nordica ATR 72, and an AvantiAir Fokker 100. The videos from these flights are already out on my YouTube channel. Dublin Airport is quite good to pass through, security was quite quick, and there's plenty of options for food and drink. However, to get to the Ryanair gates, it's a 5 to 10 minute walk. In terms of the city, Dublin is an amazing place to visit. The atmosphere is great, the people are friendly, and there is a lot to see and do. Definitely one of my favourite cities to visit. The aircraft that would be taking me to Glasgow would be a Boeing 737-800. The Boeing 737-800 is currently the sole aircraft type in Ryanair's fleet. Ryanair will soon have Boeing 737 Maxes. No doubt at some point I will end up on board one of Ryanair's 737 Maxes. Once they are in commercial service, of course. My seat for the flight was seat 21F and the flight time was around 40 minutes. And here's the taxi and takeoff part of the video.
You can find your life jacket stand up above your head. The last of the wires is instructed by a member of your cabin crew. Thank you.
The legroom was okay. It was perfect enough for the short flight to Glasgow. Even though it was a short flight, the flight was basically full. And here's the landing part of the video. Overall, the flight back to Glasgow was good. It was really short, like a bus ride, and that's essentially what the Glasgow-Dublin route is. As soon as you're up in the sky, you're straight back down. The flight was too short to give a full comprehensive review. However, if you want a full comprehensive review in Ryanair, make sure to check out my last trip report, which I flew from Tarbes in France to Dublin. I would definitely fly with Ryanair again. They aren't my favourite airline, and they're not my least favourite airline. That spot belongs to British Airways. Thanks for watching this trip report. I hope you enjoyed it and stay tuned for the next one.